Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got another heavy hitter for you all. Yes, it's PW in the building, and I'm telling you, everybody seems to be flipping the script on the design of these watch faces. They're getting better and better. PW is no exception. It seems like everybody's pulling out the big guns. Now, the name of this one is called PW 133. I thought PW got down, giving them 4 thumbs up in the door for the creativity of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to look nice. The design is going to kind of change a little bit, but you will get your time and your information with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, I love the look. The index looks awesome. Now, the color, the video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this one in person. I love the layout. I love the design of this one. The placement of all the information looks beautiful, and it has an elegant look to it, to me. Considering that it has a digital time within this one, I think I can get away with dressing up with this one. All right, we'll take a look at it and see if I can. Now, looking at this watch face, I love the hands. I love the design. I like the look. It screams luxury all day long. Then you have a ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and it's red. It blends in with the background of this watch face beautifully. And I like how the background brings everything out so far as the color is concerned. Now you're going to get your date and your day. You're going to get a shift in your time, and I love stack time, but to shift it just gave it a lot of character, right? You're going to get your heart rate information, distance walked or ran, also your step info, and the watch face is interactive, so if you need to go in and tweak your watch to whatever you need to tweak it to, you can. And you get the music player, which I love my music, gotta have that. You get the calendar as well, and what's really most important, people, is your weather. I like the icon for that as well. So it gives you all the important things that most people would need or use in a watch face, which isn't bad. And for double tap, I can customize the color of this. Remember, I told you the video isn't going to do it justice. You have to go check this out for yourself, and it's definitely worth its weight in gold. I love the look of this one. Next weekend, we're playing this one. But look at the design. See how the theme changes a little bit so far as the color is concerned? The background, no longer black. You get some different colors. Kind of brings out the watch face. Not bad. But tell me, people, what do you think? Hit me in the description box down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.